Hi everyone, welcome back. You've seen me use condensed milk mostly in my porridges, and although not mandatory for this lifestyle, I know some of you don't have access to that specific brand, but today I'm going to show you how to make your own sweetened condensed milk. So let's get straight to it. You will need 1 can of coconut milk. If you want more condensed milk, double this recipe, all right? You will also need some cane sugar, and that's it. Sometimes I add a pinch or less than a pinch of salt, but today we're just gonna stick to the coconut milk and the sugar. Gently mix this to dissolve the sugar. After that, on a medium heat, allow this to come to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, put your stove on low heat and allow this to condense or become concentrated. Once this starts to boil, it will create some crystals at the top. Those you can remove. All right, those are not necessary because you want your condensed milk to be smooth and creamy. You don't want those crystals in it. This process can take up to 30 to 45 minutes. So there's no need to mix this around or anything. The only thing you can do is to remove those foams or crystals at the top. That's it, my people, all done. Once you get to a consistency like this, turn off your stove and allow this to cool. As it cools, it will become thicker, and as you can clearly see the difference as to when we first started, we're getting more of a creamish beige color going on. That's what you want, and of course it all depends on the type of milk or sweetener used. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this recipe useful, and until next time, bless upon yourself.